Welcome class back to Chapter 6, Positioning Objects with CSS and Tables. This video will cover our 6th lesson, Insert and Align Images in Table Cells. You can insert images in any table cell using the image command in your insert panel. When you add a large image to a cell, the cell expands to accommodate the inserted image. You can align images both horizontally and vertically within a cell. With HTML5, it's best to align an image by creating a CSS rule and then apply the rule to the image. So we're going to work with Shrimp Bisque, and we're going to insert it in that cell that we merged together that was 3 rows. Another way to align content in table cells is to add a style to the individual cell tag that sets the cell alignment. So we're going to practice both ways. So pages 32 and 33. So place the insertion point in the merged cells in the left column, and then we're going to insert this image from our data files. So we'll place our insertion point here, and then navigate. Okay. What I don't want you to be concerned about is how your table looks as we're going through the process of populating these table cells. Okay. At times it's going to look really bad, and hopefully you won't panic. Okay. Just know that you can click up in here at any time, okay, and it will go ahead and adjust. So click in your design view, and it will adjust based on the settings, the CSS styles, and the content of the table cell as well. Okay. I noticed one thing here right now. I forgot to give a page title to Cafe. Okay, so I'm going to put in here the Sand Crab Cafe. Okay, so I have that document title. Okay, we got our image inserted. Now we're going to align the graphic in the table cell. So I'm going to click on the image itself, and I'm going to go to CSS Designer, and then make sure you're on the style sheet, global, and plus. When we're on an element in the document, it will automatically populate with the tags that you are sitting on. And we'll use TRTD image. And we're going to do width of 80%. Display a block. And then we'll do that center alignment with the margins of auto, left and the right. Okay, so your image at this point should look like this. So again, clicking back in the design view, now you're going to see the width is at 80%, the image is centered, and the image is behaving like a block element. So what is the difference between an inline element and a block element? Inline means that it goes from left to the right, and it just fills the page up. Block means that I have a tag, and then when I insert another block level element after it, it automatically feeds to a new line. So block level elements that you can be aware of are all your heading tags, so H1 through H6, div tags, paragraph tags. Okay, I'm just thinking off the top of my head here, but image tag for sure is an inline element, meaning the image is there, and then if I have text following it, it's going to fill from left to right. Okay, it's not going to automatically push that text underneath. Okay, so just a little lesson there on inline versus block. Okay, if you have questions on this lesson, please let me know.